Welcome, everyone. It's Donald Trump here. 250 million in Ethereum. We really shouldn't be too surprised, about why the Ethereum market is dumping so hard and, why it's having such a tough time recovering. When you look at it, everyone else is up like 6% today. Bitcoin is actually up 6% even after yesterday's crash. Ethereum, on the other hand, is down 2%. And I really think Donald Trump has kind of given up on Ethereum. And the reason why? Well, he's saying he hasn't sold anything, which is interesting. But, if you actually take a look at his wallet, and then you check where he's transferred his Bitcoin, his Ethereum, all these different cryptocurrencies, it appears that they've landed. They've landed in an exchange, okay? It's not some other private wallet or anything like that. So I saw this news and, I actually shared it here on X. You can check out the wallet right here. You can just grab the address, super easy, super simple. And then you can pop it into a crypto tracker like, CoinMarketCap or wherever. And you can see how much Ethereum he actually owns. And, right now he's holding about $8,000 worth. Just $8,000. That's it. So it's actually quite a significant piece of news. And he immediately defended himself on social media, saying, no, we haven't sold anything. We've simply moved the Ethereum for the purpose of restructuring. But, that's not really restructuring, is it? He's moved it to Coinbase, which is an exchange. So it's highly likely he's going to sell that Ethereum. We don't know if he already has, honestly. But what we do know for sure is that Ethereum, I think he's pretty much abandoned it. And Bitcoin and also Solana, XRP, they've really moved ahead of Ethereum in terms of performance, you see? And this is also in the form of a stablecoin, an USDT token, okay? He doesn't hold Bitcoin, but it's in the form of USDT and not Ethereum. And then you can see, what kind of balance he has in his wallet. And you can see that right now, he's selling his $250 million worth of Ethereum. He's got zero, basically. Like all of us, actually. Like all of us, So if you want to follow this type of video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. I just want to say thank you very much and see you soon.